Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Here, the precisely roasted cocoa nibs are finely ground and then blended with sugar and milk to achieve the perfect balance of flavor.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is made, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.